patterns in nature. Patterns that you can see in nature is visible regularities or found in natural world.
There are different types of patterns such as symmetry, fractals, dendritics, spiral, chaos, and waves, and many more.
Before I will show you some example of fractals, let me tell you what is fractal first. So fractals is an infinity complex type of a mathematical shape.
And now, what is symmetry? Symmetry, it is the shape that is identical to other shape when it is moved, flipped, or rotated. And let me show you some of example of symmetry.
What is spiral? A spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on a center point and a series of circular shapes that revolve around it. What are the examples of spirals? The example of spirals in patterns of nature is tails of chameleon, shells, and ferns.